OE comparable harness, no pigtail connector, for hassle-free installation. OE comparable mounting provisions ensure drop-in precise fitment. Rigorous and accelerated cycling tests to ensure product service quality and durability. Special coating on the lens surface prevents hazing and fading, ensuring proper illumination and operational safety. Meet or exceed .SAE standards with particular consideration for photometric and safety compliance. Due to precision design and exacting quality control standards, TYC replacement lamps meet SAE regulations, and are FMVSS 108 compliant. Each TYC replacement lamp is manufactured with similar plastics materials as the original equipment and undergo rigorous testing to ensure you're safely during day and night use. Your vehicle nulls lamps are an essential part of your vehicle nulls safety features, and can mean the difference between getting into or avoiding an accident. Top reviews from the United States. Fits a 2004 Chevy Silverado. Quick shipping, better than factory, highly recommend, easy install, looks wonderful.